Okay, so now that you've just thoroughly worked your client, your partner, whoever you're treating, you've worked them thoroughly with the foot massage stick. Now it's time to do some beautiful massage techniques. So remember, rocking, now look, what I'm doing, going up and down the center line with both thumbs. I rock forward, rock back, rock forward, rock back, rock forward, rock back. So we're just working that center line. So now we're going to really bliss out the person. Same with the crisscross. Forward, back, rock forward, back. All the time. Working with the breath. So you can see my hands on the top of the foot there. Just working beautiful crisscross work through here. Now doing some heel squeezes. So just lift the foot up and squeezing that heel there. Now just showing you my knuckles. See that? Going along the Achilles tendon. It's a great little technique to get both sides of the Achilles tendon. And now some nice little finger circles around the ankle. So we're really just, after all that intense work with the stick, we're just blissing our client, I'll call them client, out with some beautiful massage now. Now both thumbs working down there. Obviously this is with cream, by the way, cream or oil. So first and fourth channel, second and third channel. Right to that point, that little hollow at the front of the ankle there. Some thumb circling at that hollow as well. Can't see my big arm in the way there, but we're doing some crisscross again across the top of the foot. That's better. Now, this was a little difficult. My big fat fingers with Liam's tiny little foot, but we did manage to do it. What you're doing, you're putting your fingers between each toe in the webbing there, and then you see the thumb going around the ball of the big toe there. Now this one, you're going into the webbing between the toes. You're squeezing for a moment and then flick off. So between the toes, you squeeze it on these wonderful pressure points, then flick off. That's it. Okay. Squeeze and flick. Between the toes, squeeze and flick. So these little flicks really stimulate the area. They stimulate the points, stimulate the person, and again, it's just a different sensation. You know, it's one of those things. We just do seeing some circles here and some. We just wipe down through the side of the foot there. Now, okay, see this? My thumb is on top of my forefinger, and I hold and give it a good little squeeze, and then flick off. So I'm holding the toe between my forefinger. There, you can see that? There you go. And now I press down with my thumb to give it a good little squeeze. There, you can see that clearly. Press down with your thumb to squeeze them, to give a little bit of squeeze. And then flick off.